Magandang araw sa lahat. Ngayon wala akong pasok dito sa Croatia. So magugupit ako sa ating kababayan. So bago tayo umalis, i-check muna natin yung lahat ng mga gamit. Kung nadala ba natin kasi ng mga nakaraan. Nakalimutan ko at bumalik pa ako. At saka yan, kailangan i-check natin muna yung mga gamit. Gunting, clippers. Yan. So kailangan bago umalis lahat kompleto. At kasi umuulan, so dali natin yung raincoat kasi parang lalakas yung ulan mamaya. Huwag natin kalimutan to kasi napaka-importante. Dito sa Croatia, laging umuulan. Ibang part ng Croatia. Ayan, ready na. And i-check natin yung ating gulong. Kabila, okay. So, ready to go. And ito na, medyo masama yung panahon. And sa mga kabayan na gusto magpagupit dito sa Croatia, sa Dubrovnik, PM lang kayo sa akin. So manood muna kayo ng magandang tanawin dito sa Dubrovnik. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung magandang view. Ayan. Break muna.
Second best. You lift your face into the skies and find the strength behind your eyes. You're shining again. You're finding flight in every crack, in every light. The past can't hold the fire you set. You're shining through. You're born again. Ooh, some broken things still blaze the way. Ooh, you're more alive with every day. You're shining again. The skies are wide. You walk with stars inside your stride. And even if the clouds descend, you'll find the light. You'll shine again. You taught me how to walk again, not on my feet but deep within. To stand in stillness, breathe and see that strength is sometimes soft as sea. You never shouted how to rise. You let me learn through open skies. Gentle as the ground below, the roots of love begin to show. You held my storms, you let me fall, but never left. You love through all. Now every step is made with grace. No rush to prove, no need to chase. The flowers grow without demand, and I do too with open hands. You never shouted how to rise. You let me learn through open skies. Gentle.
Ayun, nandito na nga tayo sa ating client. So start na natin siyang gupitan. And dito na yung ating result. Ayan, napakaangas yan. Bagong hairstyle ni Kabayan. Ayan. So laging nagpapagupit sa akin si Kabayan. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala. And mabuhay ang OFW.